Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please to subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to do another unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this. Let's see what's this. Oh, it's a bit heavy. Let's see guys, what is this? So open sesame. Oh, it's good, it's easy to open.
Easy peasy.
Yeah, okay, so it's done. Okay, let's see what is this. Oh, it's matte. Oh, heavy. Uy, metal.
Yeah, that means assembling.
Metal. Screw. Okay, let's see this guys. So let's open. This is, oh,
Damage the table, so
it's two of these. Oh, this needs cutting. It's like chopping board.
gentle, make sure it nothing falls out because it will break.
Yeah. Okay. I'm very careful, very gentle. Okay. Wow, that's why it's very well wrapped. It's very well protected. Oh dear. Okay. Oh.
Careful, it's not fall out.
Oh dear. Oh, I can see it now. This is something special. That and that. Oh, okay. So this goes in there. And that is the stand.
Yeah.
There. Oh,
You
so
need to screw those on
yeah.
and it will be tilted.
So, yeah, it's tilted like this.
And
Slanting.
it's for our baby.
Yeah, it's for our baby guys. This is a food bowl for our baby. So this is the screw thing.
And that's a mat to put underneath, and then when that's assembled you just put that on the mat.
Oh,
So
see.
any spillage you can just wipe off.
So that's why this is what they call the material of this one. It's a easy wipe. Easy to wipe thing. Oh, so that one like this. So that's cute. Look, it's Paul.
Yes.
It's cute.
Like it.
Oh dear. Nice.
Babies, yeah.
Ay, baby!
He wants to check out his new
You know it,
footballs.
baby. It's for you. You know that this is for you. Ay, oh, okay. Excuse me.
Excusez-moi.
Excuse me, baby. Excuse me. Oh, he knows everything new. Especially for him. He knows it, so he knows that this is for him. So, it's very good. The bowl is very nice. It's nice and deep.
It's ceramic, I think.
Yeah, and ceramic. I like it.
Because at the moment we got plastic bowls and they're getting scratched
Yeah, because when
because of the food. They are too big, the pieces.
yeah, they are
It's
chunky.
wet food, and
Yeah, look.
we need to cut them.
Yeah, they are very chunky, so we need to cut it, and then
And the
when we
bowl
cut,
gets scratched.
yeah, and this one, if we cut the thing, it doesn't scratch because it's ceramic. So this is very good. I like it. Hello, baby. Okay, guys. So let's assemble this first, and then we'll show you how the finished product. Let's assemble it first. I like it. So it's nice. I like this. It's not. It doesn't slip.
Good.
Yeah, doesn't slip, and then it's easy to wipe, easy to clean. So that's very good. Yeah. Okay, guys. So let's assemble this first. Okay, turn it on. Okay, guys. This is the assembled table. Table. So let put this in here for the water or dry food, and this is
Yeah,
for
you can
the
use
wet
one for dry
food.
food, one for wet food, or
Yeah.
because cats
So
don't like their water
yeah,
right next to the food.
yeah, and that is the mat, non-slip mat.
Come,
So
see
it's
on your
cute.
football, baby. Have a look.
Baby, come. Baby, come. Look at this, baby. It's your new bowl. Ay! He likes it. Oh, wow. Is it nice, baby? First food, mama. First food. Ay! Oh, there he's gone. He wanted food in. So, okay, guys. So this is the unboxing for this.
Footballs,
Yeah.
including table and mat.
Yeah. It's so cute. So it's so cute. Alright. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you at my next video. Thank you. Tara! Love, love, love. Yeah. Okay, baby. Here's your food. Oh, okay. Eat your na. Okay. Oh, that's your new plate.